Come on.
Come on! You have to
Come
throw
on.
another stick. Yay!
Come on.
Oh, don't bring that back. Oh, yay! Come on. She just went underwater.
Come on, stop that. Come here, I'll give you a rock. You can chase it.
Not a rock.
Yeah, it'll go down there. Here, smell it. Get the good smell
Where's she?
on. Now watch this. She'll find this rock.
No,
You
she
ready?
will not.
Yes, she will. Watch.
Oh, God.
Ready? Get it.
Where'd she go? Oh.
Right here. Let's see if she finds it.
All right, Jen Amelia, come back.
Watch. She'll go back under the wall.
It's too deep for her to find a rock there.
I'm getting it.